near the end of our thrilling campervan escapade in South Island, New Zealand, we're filled with a sense of accomplishment and joy as we reflect countless memories we've created along the way. We had this overwhelming sense of gratitude for having the opportunity to explore this breathtakingly beautiful land. While it's hard to believe how quickly time has flown by, we're eager to relish every last moment of this unforgettable experience. Traveling is a fun and exciting experience, but it's not always easy. There are challenges that come with exploring new places, meeting new people, and stepping out of our comfort zones. However, these challenges are part of the journey and help us grow as individuals. In today's vlog, we drove 5 hours as we make our way to MILFORDSOUND.
Good morning, guys. We have a bit of a disaster. I'm not sure if you can see, we got a puddle of water.
Forgot to empty it last night, and I think we've used too much water. We've showered, we've washed the dishes, and washed the dishes again this morning. Anyways, I'll try to drive very, very slow. Otherwise, you'll have water spill all over the floor. And I don't want to clean this early in the morning.
This campsite is really full because of that view. We are nearing the end of our campervan life or campervan trip.
Yeah. So sad.
I know, so sad. And it's sad to leave this beautiful place behind us.
Yeah.
But we are looking forward to the beautiful MILFORDSOUND.
Yes. Anyways, it's still like 7 o'clock in the morning. We had to wake up very early because we'll be doing like a 5-hour drive again. Yeah.
Alright guys, stay tuned.
Thanks. Saying goodbye to a picturesque place leaves us with a bittersweet feeling. But it's also a reminder that we take a part of it with us on our journey forward.
So we're just taking a break after almost 2 hours of driving. We are here at Lindis Pass Summit Lookout.
And wherever you decide to take a break or stop here in South Islands, I think it doesn't disappoint. We only have about 300 kilometers left to our destination, and that's 3 hours and 30 minutes. We did a quick stop over here at Queenstown, mainly because it's on the way going to Teanau. I think we only have 2 hours drive. Yeah.
We saw a Woolworths kind of grocery store. It's called Countdown here in New Zealand.
I think they're the same. They're just called differently. You're right. Yeah. Anyways, while we're here, Vanessa just decided to buy a few stuff that should last us for the next 3 days.
So I finally found the coffee bags, so at least I don't have to keep cleaning up the plunger. And some cheese. Better put the cheese in the fridge. And some Milo. And some, of course, Asian rice is life. Finally, rice after a couple of days.
Are you ready to hit the road again?
Yes, let's
go.
do this. 3-4.
This is a self-serve and self-pay petrol station or fuel station. So it's pretty straightforward. Just 3 steps. So insert your card, enter pump. So that's number 7, and then continue. Select grade, which is diesel.
Is it coming out?
Yes, it is.
30 minutes left before we reach our destination. Yay! Yes, guys, it's true. There are a lot more sheep than human beings here in New Zealand.
We're finally here. I'm so excited about this place. I don't know why. Okay.
So, yes, this is the largest lake here in South Island, New Zealand.
And it's called Teanau Lake.
Lake Teanau.
Or Lake Teanau. Oh look, my face is so bright. I feel like I'm in heaven. Yay, that's our accommodation.
Finally arrived.
This is our accommodation, but we're just gonna park it in the campervan area.
This is gonna be our last campsite on our holiday. We actually booked the sauna from 5 o'clock to 5:30. But anyway, we're just going for a walk instead.
This right behind us will be our last campsite. So we're just gonna walk around the lake and then have a shower, sleep early, because tomorrow we're going for a drive going to
MILFORDSOUND.
yeah, that's cool. MILFORDSOUND. So that's, I think, 2.5 hours drive, 2.5 to 3 hours. And then come back here and probably hit the sauna. And then spend another night. And then go back to Queenstown and hit another adventure.